Hi, my name's Eric Riffle, and I'm the Service and Warranty Manager here at Platinum Coach. This is a short video on how to install a short carpet. The first thing you want to do is open the load door and make sure you don't have an extendosill. The tools needed for the installation process: drill bit with tape to prevent drilling into the wood, number 2-bit screwdriver, and 4 screws with collars. And of course, the short carpet. Line up the short carpet in the center of the 10 holes. Make sure you're even on both sides of the rollers. That's the most important part. You will mark those 2 holes and then you will drill. Now, while drilling, make sure you do not go into the wood. Just drill through the stainless. That's what that piece of tape is on there for. So you will drill your holes. Now you'll come back through and you'll tighten your screws down. Do not over tighten the screws because you don't want to strip them out. We'll give you more screws just in case you do strip one out. After you've screwed down your final screw, lift up your short carpet and make sure it operates properly. It closes properly, opens properly. I like to double check to make sure everything's working properly, so I open and close it again. Just double check, make sure all the screws are down. And if you have any questions and or comments, please contact Platinum Coach at 513-752-0734. Extension 3, that'll go directly to me. Thanks, and you have a great day.